And action. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me yet, I'm Holly, and today I have a really exciting video for y'all. I'm on my way to the airport because I'm going to Maine to visit my best friend. So I'm really excited. She's at an internship on a little island off the coast of Maine, but I'll be meeting her in Portland, and I'm gonna spend 2 days there, a little over 2 days there. So I'm really excited. I love when you pull up to the airport and as you're pulling up, your flight gets delayed an hour. Do you want to get... No.
I said that, by the way. I'm pretty smart.
I don't even know if you're even in shot. Yeah, you are. I'm so annoyed right now because I'm gonna be so bored. I'm just glad that I have stuff to work on for work. Otherwise, I'd be so bored sitting in the airport for an extra hour. But it's okay, we're gonna work with it. Traveling is all about solving problems and going with the flow. So I'm remaining calm. Hey guys, I'm at my gate now, and I'm just doing some work, like work. I'm also making sure that y'all know about my new YouTube video, which is up. And then I'll let you know when this one goes up too, I guess. So yeah, my flight's been delayed, which kind of sucks, but something interesting happened in security. This lady had like boxes of candy, like Twix and Skittles and everything, and so they literally swabbed every single piece for like drugs, I guess. And then my bag was next because I accidentally left my iPad in it, and you can't have any electronics in your suitcase, but it's okay because my flight got delayed, so I had plenty of time to wait around, and now I'm just working on some stuff. Yep, so I'll see you in Maine. I'm officially in Maine. I never realized like how small other airports are that aren't the Atlanta airport because it's so big. But I'm here, I'm in Portland, and I can't wait to see Hannah. I'm just waiting for her to come down that little road. So yeah, come on Hannah, I'm ready. And I'm also tired because it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. So as you guys can see, I'm at my hotel, and I've been with Hannah for most of the day today. We woke up, got brunch, went shopping for a little bit. I'm gonna do a haul about everything that I bought when I was at the mall in Maine. Sorry if it's loud, I'm outside and there's like a little bit of traffic going on. But yeah, we've had a lot of fun so far today. I just haven't vlogged because I haven't seen her in a long time, and I just wanted to make sure that I was spending some good quality time with her. But I'm definitely gonna be taking my camera to Cape Elizabeth and to dinner with us tonight, so I will keep y'all updated on what happens there. Hey guys, so we just got to the beach, I guess you could call it, and it's like seriously gorgeous here. Hannah's up taking a couple pictures for a stranger. Oh no, there she is. Say hi. You can see her in the distance. But anyways, so this is where we are. It's so gorgeous. Ignore the ugly fence, but oh, I love it. It's about to rain though, so we'll see what happens. say hi, you look cute. It's so pretty up here, y'all. You have no idea. I feel like the camera probably doesn't do it justice. I feel like it would look prettier if there was like a really intense sunset going on, but it's still so gorgeous out here. Now we're going to go have some dinner. Obviously we need some lobster because it's Maine. So we're going to a little place that's right here on the coast called the Lobster Shack. So let's see what they got going on. Hey guys, so we're just getting ready for bed now. We're doing a little face mask. We're using the tea tree face mask from the Body Shop right now, and we're watching Meet the Parents. So we're gonna head to bed and I'll see y'all in the morning. Hey guys, good morning. We are still at our hotel. Hannah's throwing her stuff in her car and it's a little rainy outside. It's about 7:30 in the morning. And there's a little breakfast spot right here next to our hotel called the Egg and I. So we're going to stop by there and grab some breakfast. And then she's going to leave because she has to go to work. I hope you guys can hear me because it's really loud, as you can see, because I'm on the side of the road. So I'm doing kind of a series and I want to make sure that I'm really showing y'all what I would truly do if I had 48 hours somewhere. That was unnecessary. So I really want to show you guys what I would do if I was in somewhere for only 48 hours. So if you don't know, I'm in Portland, Maine. Obviously you do because you've been watching the vlog. So I would genuinely find somewhere to get a workout in, depending on the timing of the week. But I missed a workout on Friday because I was taking a flight here, obviously. So I'm making up for it by hitting my workout today. I'll be hitting like shoulders and arms, which is convenient because holding up this camera is giving me a shoulder pump. But anyways, so yeah, someone just yelled at me on the side of the road. This is so awkward. Getting used to filming in public is so weird. Y'all have no idea. But I'm going to a place called the Fitness Factory, so I'll show y'all what it's like when I get there. Back in my room, which is honestly a mess, but y'all, I had the best workout. Like, I just got in there and it was so nice. I just put my headphones in, blasted some Eminem, and I killed my shoulders, my arms, aka my biceps, my triceps. It was such a good workout. So if you're in Maine for 48 hours and you need to find a gym, $10 and you'll get a day pass at Fitness Factory. They were seriously awesome. I met 2 guys there that like worked there, Peter and Ben, and they were so kind to me, very accommodating, showed me around the gym and everything. So like I said, if you have 48 hours in Maine, or even if you're here longer, definitely check out Fitness Factory. It was a great environment in there. They had some posters of like Arnold, and it was really cool. They had a powerlifting room with squat racks and deadlift platforms and everything. So if you're into that, definitely check them out. As you can see, I've got my backpack and I've got 2 computers, chargers, and everything in there. I'm gonna head to a coffee shop called Bard Coffee, and I'm just gonna get some work done. I have some things for my regular job that I need to get done, and I'm also gonna start uploading some footage from this. So yeah, I'm gonna head off to the coffee shop and I'll see y'all there. I just almost tripped. There's cobblestones here and it's really hard to walk, but I just finished up drinking some coffee and working on some stuff, so now I'm gonna try and see if I can head towards the water and get a good shot of some boats and stuff, and then I think I'm gonna head to dinner. So yeah. Hi. Guys, I met a friend. What's your name? What's your collar say? Nothing? Hi, pup. I got the lobster mac and cheese. Holy crap. Look at this dish.